Coinbase Global is down $11.95 today, or 6.25%, to $179.28. iShares Ethereum Trust ETF is down 85 cents today, or 4.17%, to $19.64. I found this on the web. Gemini $USD is down $0 today, or 0.1%, to $1. Here's what I found. AXS Chesapeake Strategy Fund is up 4 cents today, or 0.36%, to $11.21. Riot Platforms is down 43 cents today, or 5.45%, to $7.41. Coinbase Global is down $12.28 today, or 6.42%, to $178.95. MicroStrategy is down $5.52 today, or 3.13%, to $170.70. Bitwise Bitcoin and Ether equal is up 17,561.62 today, or 1.65%, to 1,008,821.12. Bitcoin Cash USD is down $9.19 today, or 2.62%, to $342.08. Avalanche USD is down 86 cents today, or 2.95%, to $28.15. I found this on the web. DAI USD is down $0 today, or 0.01%, to $1. Here's what I found. MicroStrategy is down $5.40 today, or 3.06%, to $170.82. BlackRock Japan Equity 1 Joule USD DIST is up $2.48 today, or 2.4%, to $105.55. Galaxy Digital Holdings is down 21 cents today, or 1.53%, to $13.49. K9 Finance USD is up $0 today, or 2.15%, to $0. I found this on the web. The standard PayPal fee in the US is 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. This is from techjunkie.com. PayPal Holdings Inc. is an American multinational financial technology company operating an online payment system in the majority of countries that support online money transfers, and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods, such as checks and money orders. This answer is from Wikipedia. Here's what I found. SPDR Bloomberg International is up 6,985.22 today, or 1.5%, to 470,633.66. Berkshire Hathaway is down 16 cents today, or 0.03%, to $457.31. A polygon is a geometric figure in 2 dimensions with 3 or more sides. This is from Here's what I found. Polygon, Macintosh, is essentially a scaling platform specifically created for the Ethereum, ETHUSD, blockchain that aims to give developers access to the ability to build scalable decentralized applications, DApps. This answer is from invez.com. Digital currency, digital money, electronic money, or electronic currency, is any currency, money, or money-like asset that is primarily managed, stored, or exchanged on digital computer systems, especially over the Internet. This is from Wikipedia. Here's some info about money. Here's some info about money. Here's some info about digital currency. Marathon Digital Holdings is down €1.05 today, or 6.53%, to €15. Coinbase Global is down $11.95 today, or 6.25%, to $179.28. Here's what I found. I found this on the web. Here's what I found. What would you like to convert to? USA real estate holding is up $0 today, or 100%, to $0. Texas Christian University, a private university in Fort Worth, Texas. This answer is from Wikipedia. Here's what I found. I found this on the web. Here's some info about USD coin. Tether, USDT, is an Ethereum token that is pegged to the value of a US dollar, also known as a stablecoin. This is from Coinbase.com. Uh-huh. Developed by South Korean conglomerate CJ Group in 2009, 4DX is the world's first 4D cinema technology, allowing a motion picture presentation to be augmented with environmental effects. This answer is from Wikipedia. Uh-huh. Exodus movement is down 89 cents today, or 5.57% to $15.10. Uh-huh. BlackRock Japan Equity 1 Joule USD DIST is up $2.48 today, or 2.4%, to $105.55. Uh-huh. Block is down 20 cents today, or 0.3%, to $66.77. Uh-huh. I found this on the web. Uh-huh. Apple is up $3.80 today, or 1.67%, to $231.59. Uh-huh. Bank of America is up 11 cents today, or 0.29%, to $39.51. Bank of Montreal is down 49 cents today, or 0.4%, to 121 Canadian dollars and 71 cents. Aurora Cannabis is up 3 cents today, or 0.51%, to $5.87. Uh-huh. Caterpillar is down $1.69 today, or 0.43%, to $389.39. Uh-huh. Snap is down 9 cents today, or 0.78%, to $10.78. Uh-huh. Here's what I found. Meta Platforms is up $1.99 today, or 0.35%, to $569.35. Fuhua Taiwan Technology High Div B was down 2.21% today, trading at 9 new Taiwan dollars and 30 cents. PayPal USD is down $0 today, or 0.05%, to $1. I didn't get that. Could you try again? I found this on the web. Here's what I found. The answer is $63,419.01.